What's up, bookie butts? So we are back with another makeup therapy video, just this time specifically focusing on brows. So this video is sped up, just some of the products I used: NYX brow pencil in the color espresso, and just start off by brushing my brows up and getting them to that shape that I want, and then I just fill them in and keep watching, see how I fill them in. So I usually start at the bottom and I do light strokes just like that, and I carve out my bottom half of my brow, then I go to the top and then I just fill them in. So it may look like I'm doing entirely too much, like it's too harsh, but that's why I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use the other side of my eyebrow brush and just use the spoolie part to blend them out. So don't worry if it looks too dark, you're gonna end up brushing it out, so it's gonna be fine. Now if you brush them out and they still dark, book you like start over. Concealer I use is by Laura Mercier. It's a really nice flawless concealer, and it has a really nice finish. It's on the higher end, but if you wanted something that would do the same thing on the lower end, I would definitely recommend using LA Girl Pro Concealer. I always use that, I just couldn't find it today, but 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend that as well. So as you can see, I'm just going in with a flat brush just to make sure that my bottom is super sharp, using the flat side to blend it out, and yeah, do the same thing with the top. Keep in mind that your eyebrows are not twin sisters, okay? They might be cousins some days. This day, my eyebrows was giving very much so long lost cousin, but they still came out cute, so keep watching. So now I'm gonna go on with my Wet n Wild concealer brush. This is a really great brush to just buff everything out. The key to having perfect brows is to just blend, and keep blending until your wrist whole thing about to fall off. For real, keep blending. So like I said, I have problem brows, and you see I had to go back in and sharpen up that line because it just wasn't doing it for me. So once I get my brows to my desired look that I'm going for, I am then finished. Okay, finito, done. Of course, I am dramatic, so I'm gonna go in and look at me, buff, blend. But look at those brows, baby. They're twins today. I thought they was gonna be long lost cousins, but I did that one little thing. Comment down below some video ideas, if you want me to go more in detail about makeup, let me know. Bye.